10 Today's GK Facts in History, August 11, 1908, Henry Ford's first Model T rolls off the assembly line. 1909, Arapahoe became the first American ship to use the S.O.S distress signal. 1934, the first inmates arrived at the federal prison on Alcatraz Island in San Francisco Bay. 1952, King Hussein of Jordan ascended the throne after his father had been declared mentally unfit. 1951, more than 7 years of fighting in Indochina formally ended with the cessation of French control. 1956, abstract artist Jackson Pollock died in an automobile accident. 1960, Chad gained its independence from France. 1965, following the arrest of a young black motorist, the predominantly black neighborhood of Watts in Los Angeles erupted in riots that lasted 6 days and left 34 dead. 2003, Charles Taylor, president of Liberia, formally relinquished his office to Moses Blair and left for Nigeria. 2005, an LTTE, Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, sniper mortally wounds Sri Lanka's foreign minister, Lakshman Kadirgamar, at the minister's home.